Good morning, Maka Feeling! It's me again on a random day. So for today's video, this is a little behind the scenes from our content shoot at Maki Rillon's Count Shop. Although Maki wasn't around that time because she was busy, her sister Yam was there. Nagtambay lang ako doon while waiting, nagchikahan, and of course, nag-create na yung content pagdating ni Paige ni Mikoy. And super saya ng buong gabi. Nung nagsimula na kami gumawa ng content, so daghan ayong tawanan, bloopers, o behind the scenes moments. I really enjoy moments like these because aside from creating content, we also get to bond, exchange ideas, and simply have fun together. These are the moments that people don't usually see behind every video, but they are definitely one of the best parts of being a content creator. See you in our next vlogs.
Okay na.
Okay lang po siya, ano ko?
Dili siya against the light, Yam.
Dili.
Dili daw ka. Wait,
Ano
wait.
ko, ano ko? Cut.
Breathing in the quiet air. Simple moments everywhere.
Lights
Life feels good when
Oh,
it's
tego.
like a gentle river flows. And I smile 'cause I can see this calm is all I really need. A little peace, a little grace in my own
Ang ngayon. Yam.
gentle days. Soft winds blowing my stress away. Garden mornings, open sky. Living life with peaceful vibes.
Laban.
These are my gentle days. Cooking love in my
Oh, tagal. Mamarang ko.
everything just
Ang ngayon.
Mamarang ko to.
Ano pa yung wig? Huwag pa naman ang wig. Ang wig pa, wig.
Sorry ko tawig.
Karang, mag-crown. Dapat yung crown ganina? Ay na ba?
kitchen.
Dapat yung siya butag ka lang tabi, matang-tang.
Aw.
Little dreams are softly growing.
Ay, dili kay kagana man nagkaganina. Kanara yung gisuot. Okay, sige, go.
Paano siya ka na, mapilit ba ka lang? Iniglip-lip na ako ba?
You're such a girl, Daddy. You're good.
Ay, okay na, daddy.
Bye-bye. You're a girl. You're such a funny girl.
You're a funny girl. Funny girl daw ka. Mira.
Maban sa miskalag-kalag 2026.
No one can steal it.
Kinawa, shout out Royal Divina. Sana may WhatsApp mo rin.
Ay, go. Shout out.
Face capturing life at my own pace. No
No, Royal Divina in Iligan City.
feeling soft and slow.
Lumalaban. Nabot man diri si Royal Divina man.
These are my gentle days. Soft winds blowing my stress away. Garden mornings, open sky.
Ay.
Living life with peaceful vibes. These are my gentle days. Cooking love in my own way. Every moment bright. Everything just feels so right.
Nice!
Ito sa Cortana.
Amang kwarta, wala na kwarta. Oh.
Suggest. O, puli-putra ko din po sa ko. Then ako yung kanin ba? Ako yung promoting
Ano man, himuot na. Nunod ka, Roy.
bag.
Pag. wag. Ha? Yuli na na ako ng kwartaha. Kay dili man ni ako ah. Ako naman ang hinulman.
Lautang kanda ko.
Ah,
Salamat ka sa to. Makabayad ka sa mga piso ng lakaro.
joy to the world, oh Lord. Mag-content no, manaygon tayam. Wala mo, kwarta ko dyan, manaygon.
Palabay, kita ba to?
Mana, kita duha. Natong magpaypay ba? Joy to the world.
Ano ito, magpaypay sila? Para taas ang hangin ba?
Joy to the world, the Lord.
That's all mga ka-feeling. Don't forget to like and share our video and follow for more and leave a comment so I can visit your house too. This is Jay Rivera, Feeling Vlogger. Bye!